Crypty Talk 2.0 is available in the Play Store. Once installed and the permissions are granted, use the identification information for the subscription purchased. For B2B subscriptions, enter the username and the password provided. You can modify the username along with the password right away or later in the settings. For prepaid subscriptions, click on the code option and enter the 12-digit code to proceed with the creation of a username and password following the criteria shown. Save the account key displayed in a secure place. It will be needed if the password has to be recovered. Click on Enter Crypty Talk to complete the activation process.